Want to avoid financial pitfalls in your 20s? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the world of finance, the importance of financial literacy, and the common missteps that can leave young adults in a financial bind. Your 20s are a crucial time to set the foundation for your financial future. So let's dive right in and discuss the 10 biggest financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. The first and most common mistake is not setting a budget. Budgeting isn't just about restricting what you spend, it's about understanding where your money goes and planning how to allocate it best. Without a budget, you're sailing a ship without a compass, and that could lead to uncontrolled debt or inadequate savings. Crafting a simple budget isn't rocket science. It's about knowing your income, tracking your expenses, and setting financial goals. Remember, a budget is your financial roadmap. Don't start your journey without it. The second mistake is ignoring your student loans. It's easy to put them out of mind, but the consequences can be severe. Interest accumulates, late fees stack up, and your credit score can take a hit. Instead, make a plan. Understand your loan terms. Consider consolidation or refinancing options, and prioritize repayment in your budget. If you're struggling, reach out to your lender for help. They may offer income-driven repayment plans. Don't let your student loans become a financial nightmare. Tackle them head-on. The third mistake is living beyond your means. It's like trying to run uphill against a landslide. The danger of overspending is that it can quickly lead to debt, and once you're in debt, it's an uphill struggle to get out. So, how do we avoid this? It's simple. Plan your expenses, stick to your budget, and prioritize needs over wants. Remember, luxury is a reward for the patient. Living within your means is key to financial stability, so always keep track of your spending. The fourth mistake is not saving for retirement. Imagine this: you're old, gray, and ready to kick back, but your bank account doesn't agree. That's a nightmare you can avoid by starting to save for retirement today. Even small amounts invested early can grow into a comfortable nest egg, thanks to the magic of compound interest. So, get started. Open a retirement account, contribute regularly, and let time do its thing. Remember, it's never too early to start thinking about retirement. The fifth mistake is neglecting to set up an emergency fund. Picture this: an unexpected expense comes your way, maybe a car repair or a medical bill. Without an emergency fund, you could be scrambling to cover costs, or worse, sinking into debt. Starting your emergency stash doesn't have to be daunting. Begin with a small, manageable goal. Over time, aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Don't neglect it. The sixth mistake is ignoring your credit score. Picture it as your financial reputation. It's the key that unlocks opportunities such as securing loans, getting lower interest rates, and even influencing job prospects. Neglecting it can lead to dire consequences like high interest rates and loan denials. To improve it, pay your bills on time. Keep your credit card balance low, and limit new credit applications. It's a game of patience and consistency. Your credit score is your financial reputation. Protect it. The seventh mistake is not having insurance. You see, insurance is not just a piece of paper, it's a safety net. Whether it's health, car, home, or life insurance, each plays a crucial role in protecting you from potential financial ruin. Imagine facing a health crisis or a car accident without any coverage. The out-of-pocket costs can be astronomical, potentially wiping out your savings. The absence of insurance leaves you vulnerable to financial disasters. Insurance is your financial shield. Don't leave home without it. The eighth mistake is impulse buying. Now, we've all been there, right? That shiny gadget, that snazzy pair of shoes, or that latest video game, all begging you to buy them now. But here's the thing: impulse buying is a quick way to deplete your funds and ruin your budget. So how do we avoid it? Simple. Create a wish list, give yourself a cooling off period, and always ask, do I really need this? Remember, impulse buying can derail your financial goals. Stay focused. The ninth mistake is not investing. If you're not investing, you're missing out on the magic of compounding interest. It's the secret ingredient that turns your small savings into a sizable nest egg over time. The risks? Well, inflation can erode the purchasing power of your money, and you might not reach your financial goals. Nevertheless, you can start small. Consider low-cost index funds or robo-advisors. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is now. Investing is key to growing your wealth. Start now. The 10th mistake is not seeking financial advice. It's easy to think you've got it all figured out, but the financial landscape is complex and ever-changing. Seeking advice from a reliable financial advisor can equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. They can help you plan, strategize, and navigate through your financial journey. It's like having a financial GPS. So find a trustworthy advisor who understands your financial goals. Financial advice can help you avoid costly mistakes. Don't hesitate to seek help. So those were the 10 biggest financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. From not setting a budget to ignoring your credit score, each misstep can set you back on your financial journey. Remember, it's crucial to save for retirement, build an emergency fund, and seek sound financial advice. Avoid impulse buying and ensure you're investing wisely. Insurance is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Avoid these mistakes and you're well on your way to financial success. Thank you for tuning in to Wealthy Cash Cow. If you found value in this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more insightful content coming your way. Remember, financial success is within your reach. Take the first step today.